Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, I am your English teacher from Bahariya Colleges PNAT. Dear students, our syllabus is completed now and from today we will start the revision. Today our topic is collocation. In this lesson you learned about collocation in English. What are collocation and how can I use them? Collocation. Collocation means that some words fit together and other words don't. Why can you say super fast train is a quick train? Super fast train is correct. Why we cannot say this? Because of collocation. Tell me what is correct here. Missed the bus or lost the bus? Missed the bus is correct. Why it is correct? Because of collocation. Can we say there was hard traffic on the way to the office? No, but why? Again, because of collocation. If you said this, everybody would understand what you meant, but needed English speakers never used the words hard traffic together. Do you know the correct way to say yes? We can say bad traffic, heavy traffic, terrible traffic. So we can say some words fit together, some words don't. What are collocations? Collocations are words that naturally go together in English. Example, fast food, quick food. We don't say quick food. Fast and quick are synonyms. Their means is something. But when they go with other words, sometimes they sound better to use than the other. And fast food. Fast food is sound is very natural and the other than quick food. In the same way we say powerful engine. We should not say strong engine. This is not incorrect. They unnatural than powerful engine. The most common collocations in English, the list of collocations a lot. You can read it again and again and written it. Thank you.